have to stop there. I said, no, I don't want to stop. I'm the one doing my life. You gotta choose what I want. Mga kaganapan dito sa personal life namin mag-asawa kung bakit.
Good morning, Philippines!
Kuya, tumawin smoke mga klan, oy. Ubay-ubay Japon to sila nga player. Smoke? Sanji? Dali ka mag-change name ka ron. What? Absolute na lang? Absolute na lang, Togs? Mura man nag-mineral? Keto na lang, boy. Keto.
Kadungog mo na ako.
Oo. Kadungog.
Okay, bilis naman. Na. Drive carefully. Ganda ng mga kahoy, mga punuan ba, mga punuan. Yung buko, walang suklay guys, pasensya na talaga guys, bahala na sa Batman guys, basta kay ako naginhawa pa. Okay na kayo na sa ako, basta ako humihilik ginhawa, humihinga pa, basta bahala na. I think I'm 30 minutes away from the other house, house ng biyanan ko, and I was talking to my friend, I was just like chatting with them. And also my husband called me, so now it's like my signal is just like cut off, like, you know, I'm driving, so yung signal is like on and off. And I have my dito, I have my iPad. I will tell Tommy to erase everything and just, you know, to clean my iPad for the game. I wanna try that because I wanna try that. I really wanna buy a cell phone holder, I really do. Like Tommy have, that's only $5 guys. iHome ang niya brand, at nakita lang yan sa sa 5 Below. Hindi sa 5 Below, sa Big Lots. Ang mura, 'di ba? At saka ang ganda pa. Mura. At saka maulan din, guys. Drive muna tayo kasi ang hina mag-drive itong bad rain later on. It's a rainy day, and then later on it will be raining hard too. And yun, Tommy told me after picking up my mother-in-law, direct heading home, and we're just gonna have lunch in my house. And so yun, and then I have to look something what to eat for dinner. Kasi you know, as usual, kailangan may dinner yung biyanan ko. Anyway guys, na lang ako ng music, okay? I'm just going to listen music. Huh? Hi guys, I'm here. I'm home. Is there any paper tax to be kept? Tax paper. Tax! Huh?
See what I had to do to the coffee pot, and then she got mad at me for doing that.
Why?
Because she swears she doesn't press any button except the one she's supposed to. And the first thing she says, oh, you cut up the buttons. Because you're not supposed to press any of the buttons. Because she keeps, I can't.
Tommy guys is restoring, is that how you say it? Restoring? No. My iPad. Because yung iPad ko guys, hindi ko na nagamit-gamit. I'm hungry.
There's also mesquite turkey in there. Like
mosquito?
Mesquite turkey.
Mosquito is mesquite turkey.
That's the turkey you really liked.
No, I just want the like real food. The one with the chicken still have a little bit pasta of it in it. Okay. Enter iPhone passcode. What is the code? Forget even hala.
and cholesterol levels have happened.
Hala, I don't even memorize it.
Get a text?
Okay, use another device. No, hala.
I won't ask you again for that.
That's what happened. They asked me again after I put it in.
That's something else they're asking for.
Guys, I will divorce Tommy, guys. He's choosing what I do in life.
What?
I don't even, I can't even
Choose the way
plan what I want. She's like, oh, you
Tell
have
them the whole
to,
deal, man. Tell them the whole deal.
you have to stop
Tell
there.
them the whole deal.
You have to stop there. I said, no, I don't want to stop. I'm the one doing my life. You cannot choose what I want. You cannot choose what I eat. You cannot. And she said, yes, I can. Like, control me. Controlling, guys. Divorce.
Yeah.
Downloading the game now, guys. Hopefully it works because every time I play with this freaking game, it's just like shut off. Anyway, so yeah, Tommy is going and he's making sandwich for himself only. That's a good sandwich. We don't have to spend money. But he is just like
I
one.
already told her.
Oh, Tommy always choosing what I do.
Yeah.
You do.
Oops.
I'm really sleepy. I can't sleep last night, Hans. Last night I went to sleep. It's just look, Roxy just keep rubbing her body towards me like I can't move, and Misty in my other side, the back of my knee. I can't move. And why you don't put it? Why you don't?
Because it stays better.
So what happened, guys? Is just like I play game like 3 games before I closed my eyes last night. Mommy told me not to play, but I did play because I can't go to sleep. I did do three games. 3 games, oi! Now, so now that's why now I'm like, and Roxy, guys, oi, every time I move around, she is like scooching me. She get up and scooch me like, and then I scooch her back. And where? Hala, my camera is almost. Hala, it must restart the game complete. It's update. Okay.
Later. Drive careful.
Congratulations again.
You're almost done anyway. It's almost 1 o'clock. Bye, guys.
Say bye-bye properly, oi. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye properly. Who's properly?
I love you.
Love you too.
You drive careful, huh?
Yeah, I try.
I will talk to you later.
Don't forget lock the doors when you leave.
Yeah. I will talk to you later.
Be careful driving.
Yeah, it's gonna rain. Dilim-dilim. Uulan mamaya, guys. Raining. So, yan. Do you have your raincoat with you? Huh?
This one in the back and take this. Oh, here's your red shirt. This medium. I got a medium and large. Is that a medium?
Are you gonna wear the large?
I got large. So down.
Okay.
You can take them both up there.
Okay. You drive careful, please. That's the one I told you guys about, yung cell phone holder. Yun siya, guys. Yun. Wow, you can close it really hard. So that's the cell phone holder that is really affordable. $5. It's nice.
How much?
$5, oi?
My jacket?
No. The cell phone holder.
No. So you're talking about a jacket.
Okay. I love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Talk to you later.
Yeah, you can just turn it right in your car.
No. I'll do it later. Bye-bye. Can you close this door for me? Hi guys! I'm going to insert this video sa vlog na ito kasi may lang ako, may nag-comment, i-answer ko lang tong nag-comment. Sina Leonor Rivera. Hi sis Leonor, thank you so much for commenting and also watching my video. Nagtanong siya, by the way, what is your biggest dream and why? My biggest dream is, yung big dream ko talaga is yung gustong, as in for now, yung dream ko ngayon is sana magkaanak kami ni Tammy. And so yun, yung biggest dream ko yun. And why, hindi naman yan dapat pa kung bakit. Kasi, asawa ko siya at gusto kong may kami, yung may anak kami. Anyway, kahit biggest dream ko siya, naintindihan ko naman kung ano yung mga kaganapan dito sa personal life namin mag-asawa, kung bakit wala hanggang ngayon, ganyan. So maraming nagtatanong din about sa bakit walang anak. Kasi hindi pa kasi dumating, hindi naman sa ayaw ko o sa ayaw niya, gustong-gusto namin, pero wala pa talaga, at saka wala. Yun. So yung biggest dream ko. At saka din yung second question niya is, and what is your greatest fear in life and why? Mawala yung mama, papa ko at saka si Tammy, sila, yung family ko. Yun talaga yung pinaka takot ako na And pero yung sa akin, yung pinakatakot ako is yung height, guys. As in yung kahit nandun ako sa roof at saka nakatingin ako sa baba, yun, fear of height. Pero in general talaga is yung, lalo na kapag yung asawa ko, family ko, yun talaga. Yeah. Thank you so much sis for the thank you so much for sa message mo. And ngayon guys, wala lang i-add ko lang itong vlog. Hindi ako actually nagva-vlog, pero I want to add this and also answer the question from Sis Leonor Rivera. Thank you so much sis. Nagtataka kayo kung bakit ito dito parang may itim. Dito is dryness yan guys. Ito dryness yan. Hindi siya masakit, hindi siya magdugo. Lang siya yung skin ko. Iwan ko, hindi ko alam. Sobrang hangin sa labas. If you see, oh look, sobrang hangin. So kaya mga ganitong panahon guys, mahangin. Alam niyo ba kung bakit mahangin? Kasi yung dahon, parang nature na yan, parang ginawa na talaga sa Panginoon para mataktak yung mga dahon kasi pa winter na, kasi matutulog na yung mga kahoy guys. Yun talaga yung pinaka matutulog na yung mga kahoy dahil pa winter na. Hindi sila namamatay guys, they are just going to sleep. Yun, pag winter, kaya mawala yung mga dahon. Very diba? Very powerful yung Panginoon. Pati mga kahoy, my life din sila. Tignan mo yan. So yan, madami ng dahon guys. Tammy said that he will clean it up. But anyway, so Rox is right there. She's just listening. She's listening. Look at her. Are you listening? You're listening, baby. You're such a good girl. Okay, sa mga previous video ko, nag-share ng mga video ko sa Facebook. Sinishare ninyo sa Facebook ninyo. Si San Uriarte, Vanji Mendisabal Tulao, Daroy Daog. Yes, she's always sharing my video sa Facebook kapag ako. And also Rosalyn Arnosa, Divina Duinas, Joseme Latimba Tortor, Ria Baryon, Snooki Bacos, Lindy Garrido, Margarita Argalon Glison, Purals Angel, si Miyuki, at saka si Timmy GC, Kaden Oy, G Turita, Wolf CKZ, Charito Birao Abria, Roslyn Arnosa, at saka si Juan Philip Fitzgerald. Thank you guys. Salamat guys sa pag-share. Thank you guys so much for watching. I-end ko na dito guys. And yes, so yun. And also guys, I appreciate sa time ninyo. And sana babalik kayo guys sa vlog. At saka sana mag-subscribe. Guys, if you haven't subscribed into this channel, please do subscribe. I really do appreciate. And also like this video if you do. And I will see you guys soon on the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye! Maginaw na guys ang hangin sa labas. Bye!